Okay, so we've showed you how to register with Digressit and then edit the initial settings and also sort out this welcome page. We're now going to get to the much more useful stuff, which is how to actually create posts that the students can then begin to use Digressit's powerful comments features to comment on. So here we are back in the site. And again, we want to go to the dashboard. That's where most things happen, but this time on the left hand navigation we want to click on posts. Now you'll see there's a default post in there already called Hello World. We don't need that, so we'll trash that, but we do now want to create a new post. So if I click on add new up here, here's then a blank space to create a post. Now we've already prepared the post as a Word document. So here's the Word document, and we've used a Balzac text from Project Gutenberg. I'm going to use the title here as a title for the post, so I'll copy that and then paste it into the title box, and then I'll copy the remainder of the text and then paste that into the post box here, and then that's pretty much it. The other thing we're going to do obviously though is click on publish. So you just wait for that to happen, and if I now go back to the site, I could just click view post, but I'm going to show you how to go back to the site. If I go back to the site, you'll see that the title has now appeared in the table of contents. I can click on that and here's my text with opportunities for students to comment on each of the paragraphs using the comments feature. Okay, it can also be very useful to be able to schedule a post. So that might be when you're running a module and you want posts to appear of these social texts, say at the beginning of every week or after the previous seminar. So that's the final thing I'm going to show you on this video. So to do that, again, we go back to dashboard and then to posts, and here's the post that we have just published, but we're going to choose add new. We do the same thing as last time, so we've got a different text here that we're going to use, but again just post in. So I'm copying that text, pasting it into here, but this time rather than clicking on publish, I'm going to click on edit next to where it says publish immediately and decide when I'm going to do this. So let's say this is 9 o'clock on the first, I don't know, second week of term, something like that. Click on OK, and you'll see that this publish button has now changed to schedule. You can then go back and change this at another point, but we're going to then click on schedule, and then on the 18th of October at 9 AM that would publish. If you then decide later that you actually want it to be a different time, you can go in and change it as well. So that's how to create a post and publish it, but also create a post and schedule it.